An inspired look to die for, and we're definitely going to be using some About Face and Melt Cosmetics. If you're not interested in using eye paint, just make sure you just use a regular eyeshadow palette with just black eyeshadow, and just make sure you prep and prime your lids. If I'm going to be honest, I will say that I do like About Face, but sometimes their eye paints can be a little bit inconsistent, especially this red one, because I'm trying to figure out, why is this thing dry? You can kind of tell because it just won't smooth over. It's like I'm tugging that crap out of it and it just will not move. So to rectify this issue, I kind of have to use an eyeshadow palette from Melt Cosmetics that I only have in the color red and go over those mistakes. I'm not gonna lie, I'm not pleased with this eye look that I did using About Face in the shade red, but you know what? The show must go on. So here's the finished eye look and here's the makeup. Fire, right? Love it.